Welcome to VanCraft's Build Series Episode 3. Today we're showing you how we install everything you see in this van. From cabinets, countertops, bench backs, sinks, everything's going to be shown in this video, so stay tuned.
So as we assemble the cabinets, we'll want to glue this seam right here, and then on the inside we'll use hidden Kreg screws, like so, to seal it all up. Now we'll continue our install. Oh. All right, now the trick is just slide it all the way through here without breaking lights off, scratching everything along the way. Damn it! And I broke a light. Making another roof jack here to support the weight of the roof bar so that I can squeeze the closet in with less risk of damaging things.
For our van setup, we use 3 100 amp hour glass mat batteries. Wire them into a parallel setup. These batteries are super good because they're sealed, so there's no venting or worrying about any kinds of leaks. So you can mount them in any orientation and you're not going to have any issues. Now I'm just wiring the light with the dimmer switch. So I marked, when I ran the wire to the utility bay, I marked one goes to the fuse block and then one goes up the wall to the light switch. And then you see there's 3 that come up here, so one's the ground. This is grounded straight to the chassis just with the screw. And so I'm just making sure that I'm getting all my wiring connections correct. Alright, so for these, this is our USB and then our 12 volt outlets. And so for these, the wiring is pretty straightforward, but look, trick to it, how we run our power and ground, obviously to the utility bay, to the fuse block, and then we just run 2 jumpers of positive negative off of it just to make the connections. Each of these need a positive and a ground. So that's how we run that.
So here's the countertop. We take our sink, which is a stainless steel basin sink, and we undermount it to the countertop simply by pre-drilling it and siliconing it to the oak, and then we seal it also on the interior. Countertop assembly, and set it down in one unit. Make sure it's seated properly. The accumulator tank, which is this big unit, and this thing holds pressure so that the pump doesn't have to kick on every time you turn the switch on. It holds some pressure and will give you a little bit of water flow. Button all those together, some hose clamps, and that'll be the sink.
Thanks for watching Build Series Episode 3. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. If you're watching on YouTube, give us a thumbs up or thumbs down, and stay tuned for our next episode, our last and final episode, where we're going to give you a walkthrough of the finished product on both our short and long wheelbase camper vans.